Right folks, you might as well come along. I'm going to put the light on for you. I'm just doing the scrap flower kit. You know, remember the kits we had? So we just took so much. So I'm not sure how many pieces. I only charge £1.50 for the kit. So we're just going to do different ones. And we put them onto a pin. Ten. Like I said, they are for scrap flowers. They're to do scrap flowers with. Oh, I can put one of them on. 11. You're getting 15 items there. Plenty there to do. I could do 4 flowers out of that lot. So that's your first one done. So I'm just going to continue because I have to use all these materials up. They're all cut-offs and whatnot. So that's 1. $14. Let's do one of those. That's 15. Like I say, there's plenty in them to make a scrap flower. And well worth. We charge £1.50. So I'm just going to get this lot. Start do some different ones. $14. One more piece. And we can do that. That's 15. Yeah. So like I say, you can actually see what I'm putting in these kits, you know. And I prefer you to know what's going in them. It's genuine vintage fabrics, laces and whatnot. So like I say, we just keep them all together, but there's loads there to make a scrap flower, and it is a scrap flower kit. I'm just going to have to get some more pins, I think. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. I mean, look, you can't tell me you can't do something with that. 4, 5. 14. One more piece of something. See something with, oh, there, the dark one. That's 15. Another pin. I'm just going to get some more pins. Sorry, I've got some of those as well. I just forgot about them. So I'll put one of each in the pit. I'll add them to the pins. Sorry, I'm just going to add one if it'll go in. Yeah. So that's 1, 2. $15, and I'll put 16 on that one because well, it's 17 actually altogether. Put that one on. Yeah, there was 15 and I'm adding 2 more, so that's 17 items. So let me just go back and add these. I'm just taking any colour that I pick up. Oops, wait a minute. One of those and one of those. Yeah, thanks for the positive feedback today. I was thrilled about it. I know some of you find it expensive, like you say, for the shipping. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Hang on, bear with me. 6. $15. Come on, let's have a look. 15, 16, 17. We'll do that one. Okay. Yeah, it's been positive feedback. I mean, I'm only trying to help everybody, but and I'm glad that people understood about the shipping and that. Well, all of it, the policy, the length of time it takes. 3, 4, 5. Got one more, I think, to, that's it, had one of those. $14. Is there any others of the other one? 14. Here's one. 15. 16. One more, that one. 17. And that's it. I'm not going to do any more. They can go back in the box till I collect some more stuff together. So I have bags and bags of it that I just want to, I cut up and, you know, put it in my box. And then after that, like I say, then we do things like this. Now, I will be bringing back the Card Maker's Delight kits. I haven't sold them for a while because we haven't really sold the lace on the roll. So we've never got to the end of a roll, if you know what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that all there is? 11? Yep, they're all bits now. Ready for the next lot. I just keep doing all these kits to share it out, you know what I mean? So that's it. I'm going to put these 11 on the shop. First come, first serve, you know, and it's called Shabby Scrap Flower Kit. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.